This episode explores how modern sports cars and advanced motor technology fuse with smart city design to redefine urban mobility. Real-world applications include Porsche and Taycan breakneck charging speeds, Rimac future hypercars, and scalable energy recovery systems. Industry leaders from Group and ABB discuss integrated charging, grid resilience, and vehicle-to-grid technologies powering cities. Cities like Amsterdam and Singapore pilot quiet EV street networks, while Formula E showcases performance aligned with urban emissions goals. By 2030, sensors, AI traffic management, and modular charging will weave high-performance thrill with sustainable, equitable urban experience.